Design is exactly one of the levers that is used in order to create that brand equity, to create that brand identity.
It's much more than aesthetic. Design triggers innovation to drive performance for the hotel and guarantee brand equity and identity. We want our hotels to be modern, vibrant, open to the city. By designing innovating spaces,
our hotels must embody the core values of comfort, quality, reliability, while pushing the boundaries with innovation.
we strive to offer the best brand and experience for our guests and maximize performance for our owners.
Across our 45+ brands, each project is tailored to its destination, ensuring cultural relevant concepts in food, entertainment, and design.
Each of our brands has its own DNA, identity, and design strategy with a different interpretation for each hotel. This is what enables us to answer any owner's expectation.
Our partners, artists, and guests choose our world-renowned brands because they trust our commitment to excellence.
A good designer is the one who's got a vision on the evolution of the society and guest expectation. And he takes budget constraints as a creative element.
And for our owners and partners, great design drives performance, setting the foundation for operational efficiency.
A brand's design is crucial for owners. It helps differentiate that hotel in their market and can reflect their personal vision. A great number of our owners also appreciate that our design strategies place them at the cutting edge of innovation.
For each brand, we bring design solutions and standards that enable them to save time and be more efficient with the consultant working on their project.
Technical standards aren't important, they are absolutely essential and critical. Standards ensure that every hotel, no matter where it is located, are designed and managed to embody the essence of its brands.
Our design and technical services teams have a strong expertise combining programming, design, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and more that is specific to hospitality, while keeping an eye on what's happening in the other industry. They support owners' team at every stage of the project in order to really make sure that on one side we optimize their investment and the quality of the product, and on the other side the hotel is well operated and attractive for our guests.
Everything that the DTS team, the Design Technical Services team does is creating that uniqueness, is creating that identity, is creating, in fact, what is going to distinguish our properties from other properties. And from that angle, the DTS team is absolutely critical in the success of the brand equity creation. The capability, the skills, the level of expertise of the DTS team is essential at building that relationship with the owner. Sustainability is has always been part of the DNA of Accor, and the way by which you don't get stranded asset in 20 years is by thinking through the ESG component of your hotel and making sure that you build something for the long run.
It must be considered today as a real business performance lever.
Sustainability is at the starting point of everything we do. It's not just reducing carbon emission, water and energy consumption to protect environment. It's also about our guests' well-being and employees' working conditions. We want to offer the best performance services that meets owner expectations and build a long-term partnership.
Guests today are increasingly conscious of the impact of their choices, and they expect the brand to reflect those values.
Successful Hotel sets a benchmark for excellence, attracting both guests and locals, which is the key measure, delivering top guest satisfaction scores, delivering returns, enabling an owner to achieve their return on equity expectations.
It's also reflected when the hotel becomes a reference that can be taken as an example to convince other investors for future projects.
Whether it's IB serving intentional travelers, Novotel embracing family-focused professional, or Pullman championing work-life integration, hotels that honor the brand promise can drive long-term loyalty, guest satisfaction, and commercial success.